How I feel about this results today, and was it tough for you all?
No, it wasn't tough at all, and like I said, we knew we were going to win 11 out of 11 seats because our punch members work very hard, and I think the people are with us. People have faith that we are the ones who can do the most work and concentrate on development.
There was two leaders campaigning or opposition with you, with Siddharth, and still it did not work. So what is
So then it speaks for itself, no? That people are not interested in them coming to Talegaon because they know who really does the work. You can't come once in a year or once in 5 years and campaign in Talegaon without showing what work you've done.
तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट डॉग जाण पणजेचो आमदार आणि तालिगांवचो लिडरूय वावून जाय तुमकां कितें दिसता हेजे वयर वॉट
See, before this also, tall leaders came and went in my constituency. I have got a direct connect as far as people is concerned. People of my constituency, my voters have got faith in me. So no, that faith cannot change.
So how you feel this victory today? You said like
It is good. I am very happy. No? Last time I told you, last time I lost by one. So it is really a happiness.
And what is the
Thank
main
you. Sorry.
job that you pending? Or
No,
what
there
was the
is
garbage
so many
issue?
things are still left here. Development is never end to development. Development is always a process, and it carries on, and it must carry on.
So this will be advantage for you in Panjim.
Now let us see about that.
तुमकां कितें दिसता ही victory तुमची आयज जाला?
I feel the unity of the people along with our sir and madam. This shows the love for them both and my supporters.
How many votes?
950.
Thank you.